Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
Start by confirming your setup meets the basic requirements for split-screen Fortnite. You need a docked Nintendo Switch and the latest Fortnite update installed. Have two working controllers paired to the console before you launch. Both players should sign into a Nintendo account or local profile on the Switch. Use a stable TV connected to the dock for proper 16:9 display performance. Ensure you have selected duos or squads in the playlist before proceeding to the lobby. Launch Fortnite with your primary player and choose duos or squads as the playlist. Wait in the main lobby until the game finishes loading interface elements. Have the second controller powered on and paired to the Switch before joining. Sign the second player into a console profile on that controller when prompted. Follow the on-screen join button to add the second player to your party in the lobby. Both players press ready to load into split-screen battle royale together. Understand that split screen divides the TV into two independent views during play. Each player sees a half screen with the game running for both accounts simultaneously. Expect lower frame rates compared to single-player sessions on the same console. If Fortnite offers a performance mode, enable it to prioritize smoother gameplay over visual detail. Use headsets for clearer voice chat because speakers may mix audio between players. Remember, each player uses the same console resources, which limits graphics and input responsiveness slightly.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.